'Twas early, early, all in the spring. The small birds whistled and sweet did sing, changing their notes from tree to tree, and the song they sang was old Ireland free. It was early, early on Tuesday night, the yeoman cavalry gave me a fright. To my misfortune and sad downfall, I was taken prisoner by Lord Cornwall. I chose the black, I chose the blue, I forsook the red and the orange too. I did forsake them and then deny. I chose the green, and for it I'll die. As I was walking down Wexford Street, my own first cousin I did chance to meet. My own first cousin did me betray, and for one bare guinea sold my life away. As I was mounted on the gallows high, my aged father was standing by. My aged father did me deny, and the name he gave me was the Croppy